Hi, welcome to Inn Ajijic. I'm KJ.
And I'm Craig.
And we're Truly Remarkable Life.
We are local vloggers here in Ajijic, Mexico, and we wanted to show you a little bit of Inn Ajijic today.
The owners purchased the property 2.5 years ago, and it became fully operational in September of 2022.
Yes, and the rooms are beautifully decorated. So we're here today in the Queen Suite. This place is made for royalty, as you can see by the bed behind us. So you're never going to have to worry if you're comfortable here. You have your own private bathroom, beautiful, beautiful appointments in the room, beautiful decor, and there's always a private place for you here. These suites are separated so that you have your own individual space, but there are some common areas, as well as some very, very good food down in the restaurants. An amazing restaurant at Go Bistro. You will not only get the amenities of the beautiful garden, the rooms, the decor, but you also get local coffee every morning right in your room.
So the coffee is locally sourced here from Ajijic. There's a gentleman up on the carretera. He is in a big red truck. You can't miss him. And he brings the coffee in from a farm in Veracruz.
It's delicious.
It's wonderful.
And all of your toiletries in the room are Mexican in origin. So you get some local flair and something from the country itself. And custom-made mattresses. I'm not kidding you, this was one of the most comfortable mattresses I've slept on in years.
The mattresses are made custom in Guadalajara, just about an hour north of here.
So while you're here at Inn Ajijic, you may wonder, what is there to do that's nearby? Well, no worries, because the owners have even thought of that. There will be a sheet in your room that tells all of the favorites in this area.
Now what are you doing? I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi. Yay! It's password protected, so it's not an open Wi-Fi. That's good. There we go. I'm connected. Yay! Yay.
Oh wow, look at that. I didn't even notice the TV.
Yeah.
It's so nicely hidden into the beautiful decor.
I know, right? You didn't even notice that. You got Roku.
Netflix.
Yeah. And look, you go into Netflix and the account is in Ajijic. I will honestly say, hands down, some of the best food I have had here in Ajijic. It is amazing. And it's really not like crazily priced or anything like that. So,
Hey, I'm Sarah.
I'm John.
And we're here visiting Ajijic for 1 month from Ontario, Canada. We've had Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night here. 3 awesome sleeps because the beds here are so comfortable.
They're incredible.
We've stayed in a lot of places in Mexico that didn't have comfortable bedding, so that was an absolute treat.
Absolutely. They're fantastic.
The location is killer. We love that we can walk everywhere from here. We've got a lot of favorite restaurants in the village that we like to frequent when we come to Ajijic, so that
Anything
was awesome.
you can think of. All your favorite taco spots, all our favorite steak, chicken, duck spots. We love it all.
Speaking of food, there's an awesome restaurant right
Yes.
beside the inn, so that's super handy. If you don't want to walk too far, you can just head downstairs and grab something to eat for dinner. We really like the responsiveness of the host. He's responded really quickly, and that's something that we really appreciate when we're staying. I think it's safe to say we'll definitely be back here
Oh
again.
yeah, for sure. We highly recommend coming here.
Yeah, we'll be back. We'll stay here again for sure, and that's something we'll really look forward to. If you're looking for a place in Ajijic that has it all, comfort, a great host, a great location, this is it.
maybe we'll see you here.
As you can see, we thoroughly enjoyed our stay here at Inn Ajijic.
It was so comfortable. The entire place is beautiful. We had great food, a lot of relaxation, and it was just amazing.
I would dare to say truly remarkable.
Absolutely.
We know that you will also enjoy your stay here at Inn Ajijic.
Yes. So, if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life. Check out Inn Ajijic.
Inn Ajijic.